Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Maltego 4.8 on Kali Linux 2024.4. Open any web browser, then go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Enter. Now click on resources. First create an account. You have to provide your email and this information. Then you have to fill all these details. But I have already created a login. Okay, so go back. In your case, create Maltego ID. Okay, go back to Maltego and download the Maltego software. Maltego.com. We have already Maltego in Kali Linux 2024, but we are going to download the latest version of the Maltego. So click on resources, then click on download Maltego. See, the latest name is Maltego Graph. So select the Linux, then select the Debian, because we are installing on Kali Linux and its version is 4.8. Okay, so click on download Maltego Graph. See, download started. See, its size is 204 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Also see here, hardware requirements, you must have Java 8 or 11 or 17 and minimum 4 GB RAM and 4 GB disk space. Okay, so we have already all, because Kali Linux 2024 comes with the latest version of Java. Okay, so download is completed. Now open terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Maltego Debian package. Install it, sudo dpkg-i, then give first 3 letters of the Maltego software Debian package. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Go to start applications, then search for Maltego. Click on Maltego. Now we have to activate. So click on the Maltego ID, because we have registered. So select Maltego ID and click on next. Then online activation, then next. Then I accept the license agreement by selecting the checkbox. Then click on next. Then click on browse. Then provide the email that we have registered and password for the same. Then click on sign in to Maltego. See, authentication complete. Now go to Maltego. See, browser login was successful. Now click on next. Now click on next. Click on next. See, download sources completed. Click on next. Disclaimer, select the checkbox and next. Click on next. I don't want to send reports, error reports. Select the default system browser. You can select any one of these browsers. Okay, I'm going to default system browser. Then click on next. Privacy mode normal. Then everything is done. Ready, set and go. Okay, so if you want to open blank graph, you have to select this one. If you want to open an example graph, select this one. Okay, I am going to show you open graph. So select it and click on open. It will load. See, this is the sample graph. Okay, if you want to create new graph, you have to click on this new. Okay, and see here we have different options. See, devices, cryptocurrency, events, general. We have different options. Okay, you can go practice all now. And also see here, its version is 4.8 and it is community edition. Now we have successfully installed latest version of the Maltego graph. So go to the terminal, ls. This file is not required because we have successfully installed Maltego. rm, give the Maltego, give the tab. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Maltego 4.8 on Kali Linux 2024.4. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.